Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode of Chainsawman. We are on episode 5. On the last episode, we saw Aki. After all the shit he talks, he still makes contracts with devils. This time, he said, it was in exchange for some skin. But next time, we don't know what they might take. I think we might get to a point where he'll feel so compassionate towards his people that he gonna do some crazy exchange. Like he might lose whole limbs or something. I could see that happening because he's growing very fond of Denji and Power. And speaking of those two, they was about to get active in that bathroom. That boy Denji making his dreams come true every episode, man. Love to see it, man. It's the little wins for him. It's the little wins. That's what makes it so good about this show. Cause he doesn't have some grand goal. He just wants the things that other people have that he just never got to have. That's all it is, man. He kind of a dirtbag for it, but hey, by any means, I'm excited to see where this episode goes, man. I feel like we're gonna get introduced to more characters. So I look forward to that. I wonder who the villain's gonna be for this season. Hopefully we figure that out soon, because we're about to be halfway done. So yeah, before we get into the reaction, like, comment, subscribe. Do all that right now, so you ain't got to do it later. The Patreon link is in the description. Full version is already on there. The full version of everything on my channel is on there. Uncut, you get it earlier too. So you might want to lock in on that. Without further ado, let's get into the reaction. He did it! Yeah! Denji is him! Denji is him! Denji got played. I knew it was something about him too. I just didn't want to say nothing. Now I better get cut off for real. Oh no, he went in. This is hilarious, bro. How does he feel? How do you feel, Denji? What? What? How you feeling, Denji? Give us your thoughts. Give us your thoughts, man. It was underwhelming. Oh, I hate this kid, bro. Oh my gosh. You really gonna say that? Say it ain't so. Oh. No way. Oh, okay. I thought Denji was about to. Bro, she got this man on a fucking string. Yo, nah, cause there's no way. It ain't hit because it wasn't her, bro. Bro, this is a dangerous girl, bro. This is a dangerous girl. What? No, bro. That's Denji. Stay away from her. She's dangerous. Denji C is dangerous. Stay away. Denji. Denji is him, but at the same time, watch out, bro. See, that one hit different, ain't it, Denji? Look at him, he about to pass out. He about to pass out. Whoa! This is a dangerous woman. Oh my gosh. You see how she works you? You see how she works you? Now you better do some wild mission. The gun devil. The nigga that they said was him. I told you. Got him on a string, bro. I knew it was coming. And this nigga Denji gonna damn near lose his life for it. Shit. That's why she gave him his reward in advance. No cap. Alright, new goal, Denji. You know what it is. Any wish come true? Are these random people? Or is that Aki? One of these two gotta be Aki. Or are these random people? Whoever you are, you about to die. Oh yeah, you definitely about to die. Oh, you about to go crazy. That's Aki. What in the big bad wolf? This nigga blew the whole shit up. That's horrible. That's horrible. Hip hip hooray. Oh, he about to spaz out. Denji on go. This dude Denji is a horn dog, bro. This shit is crazy. Denji, like, come on, man. It's November, bro. Oh, he don't even want it. Aki about to get heated. Aki about to get heated. He said, what are you talking about, Denji? Oh yeah, Aki about to get heated. She about to punch you in your shit. Oh, Denji, she made you flip that easy, bro. Denji is so stupid. Denji is so stupid. Nah, I love this show, bro. This shit is hilarious. This shit is hilarious, bro. And this whole episode is gonna be Denji trying to fiend for some play. That's interesting. So who's really the captain here? Did Aki just really have to get nice to take that role over? Cause she was looking like she was head honcho. Oh, this shit about to bust out and look crazy. All the devils will look crazy so far. Or is it a fiend? It's gotta be a fiend then. What the hell? Man, if you don't stomp on that shit. What? She can use the force? That can't be it. Yo, her power might be tapped then. The ghost devil. Oh. That's fire though. Kinda sucks you had to give up an eye. So that was just somebody that was in there. Damn. That's right, they did say that the bullet makes him stronger, so that would not have matched up. Dang, she got the powers of a ghost. That's kinda OP. Oh my gosh. Look at the arm. The way the arm came out. Look like it's almost like a stand. She uses it almost like a stand almost. 9th floor to the 8th. Whoa. What the hell? Inception. Yo, that was a clean little episode there. We got introduced to the rest of the team for real this time. We saw Aki's backstory, and yeah, his folks really got wiped out by the gun devil. But yo, if the gun devil is guns, how the hell is he blowing whole hoods away? Why is he blowing blocks away? What type of power is this? That ain't got nothing to do with a gun, so that must just be a play on something. Cause there's no way. There's no way. Unless he's like one gigantic shotgun and then the recoil just be taking out everything. Like the air pressure or something. I don't know. I don't know how you do that. I have no idea how you do that. That is crazy to me. That's absolutely crazy. Aki definitely got to run the ones with him. Aki got to get that get back. He has to. The gun devil might be who we're after this season. That might be the big boss for this season. I can see that. Yeah, I can see that for sure. But man, so what's her name has the gun devil, not the gun devil, the ghost devil, a contract with him. And she literally uses that shit like a stand. That is actually really cold. Like, you only have his right arm right now, but that was in exchange for your eye. So, if you were to ever try and get another limb or another piece of it, what would you exchange? What would you exchange? Because if you lose both eyes, then it's not going to work. I wonder if they actually get to determine what part of them gets taken, though. Like, I wonder if the devil just decides what they're gonna take, or if it's like a mutual agreement. Okay, fine, I'll give you my eye. Like, do they negotiate before it goes on? I wanna figure out more about that. Like, I want to see one being made. I want to see one actually being made. I don't know if the one with Denji counts though, but I want to see like a contract actually being made. I want to find out how that works. And she punked power. She had power shook. She had power shook. Hey, all right now, keep your eyes open. But yo, the way the episode ended is kind of crazy. So whatever fiend ate that bullet gave him that type of illusionary power. Like, that's kind of crazy. So the gun devil must really be like that. If the bullets have that much of an effect to do that, I don't know, man. That's looking like Huncho status. So, hey, I know that fight's gonna go crazy for sure. And I know Denji wants that fight because Makima got him wrapped around her finger. That is a dangerous woman, bro. I promise you, she gonna be the death of him. She's gonna be the death of him. Like, bro, you gotta get up out of there. I, what? Hey, you know that Drake and Gunna song, P Power. You know, Makima got that. She got Denji locked up. But that was, I like how they mix in the comedy in this show. Like as dark as the show is, they mix in the comedy very well. Like it's not childish. It's not stupid. It's like comedy for us. You know what I'm saying? Not no little shonen comedy with some stupid Rugrats type shit. That's what I really like about the show. Chainsaw Man is Chainsaw Man is like that. Chainsaw Man is like that. I like this show a lot. I really do. So yeah, man, I'm excited to see where we go from here. We're about to be halfway through the first season, and this outro might be up there. I think the one, the other one with the hardcore screaming. I think that's number two. This might be number three. That one's number two. I think it's the same people that did Death Note, and then the first outro from the episode one. I they didn't have a video for it. It was just the end credits. But that one's number one. I'm excited to see where we go, man. I'm excited to see. I'm excited to see everything. The outros, the plot, the story, the fights, the character development. How far is Denji's ambitions really gonna go at this rate? Like, what more routine things can he really want? You got your bread and jelly. You got to touch boobs. You got to have a friend. So it's like, how far can these ambitions take him before he wants to actually pursue something else? That's the question. Will he? Is the question. How long until Makima's effect wears off on him? That's basically what we're waiting on. It probably won't. It won't happen this season. It probably won't happen in season 2. It'll probably happen like a season 3. Shit. Who knows when that's gonna come out though? But yeah, good episode. Good episode. Great show. It's a great show. I've had no complaints about the show so far. Only 5 episodes in. So yeah, Chainsaw Man is him. Chainsaw Man is him. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Link to the Patreon is always in the description. Rock with me. Subscribe. I just said that, but subscribe. Do that too. And I'll catch y'all in the next reaction. Peace.